Hello, Fritz. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, it's me, Timo, with the indoor antenna in the direction to the USA. You are booming with 20 dB over in the back of my indoor antenna inside of the attic. Yeah, I'm fine. I copy also Dietmar. I copy him on my indoor antenna. He's 300 kilometers far away from me.
Yeah, not normal. And that's people, and the indoor antenna is moving to America, I think.
Yes, of course. Every time I can't rotate it. I didn't have enough space inside of my attic, so it is only one direction to the west.
Okay. Now, you put also very good signal. Subject of 9 for your Radio 5, Timo. As always. You always have strong station, Timo. Timo?
Yeah, someone is talking in the background. I think it's Diddy. I didn't know. I'm I'm also every time surprised. So we have a direct line, every time like a local QSO with us. So no problem at all. So I will go in the background. So I will put out my antenna. That's only small thing, small equipment what I am driving in the moment. So I will, put out my antenna 18 meters high in the sky and then fire it up with a little bit more power.
Yeah, and then you're moving for sure. I have a little bit trading now with Timo. Sometimes you go from 9 to 6, but to 6 and then you're coming up, but it's no problem. Okay, I go listen for your friend, the 1-3 Lima Radio 4000. He's coming with the power station from Germany. I go look over his own frequency. 1-3 Lima Radio 4000, are you ready? Now I can tell you moving on moving here 55 degrees now. 55 degrees. 35 degrees over. It is 30 and 5 degrees. It's a really booming signal. Yes, he's on frequency. Maybe we can hear you.
Yeah, Dietmar, I didn't know if you copy me. I will try with my indoor antenna in Richtung Amerika. Wird wohl nicht klappen.
Okay, my God. This is much louder than a telephone line. It's not normal. Not normal. It's like you're in my room. That's crazy. Yeah, Timo is now his indoor antenna, only the indoor. And he's beaming to America, to the west side, I think. But he copied you very well. And I hope you can understand this. Okay, I let you go. I'm looking for more stations. 1-3 Lima Radio 4000. My big friend. It's really big. Okay, and Timo also, goodbye.
Goodbye, my friend.
It's really crazy. This is not normal. This is what I like. The power stations. Okay, 73, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Fritz. 73, sir, from the 991 Timo.